Touchscreen not working after the iOS 27 update, whether it's completely unresponsive, slow to respond, or feeling laggy, don't panic. Here are the most effective fixes to get your touchscreen working again. So first the thing you just have to do, just perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. This can actually fix temporary touchscreen issue caused by the update. So once your iPhone turns back on, test the screen here. If it's still not responding properly, check your screen protector. If it's cracked, damaged, or low quality, remove it and test the screen again. And in your case, after this, if your touchscreen is still not responding, or it may feel very slow or laggy, touch accommodations may be turned on. So for turn it off, you just have to simply press the side button 3 times to disable it if you have set as your accessibility shortcut. And then check if the touch response improves. If you are still having the same issue, check for hardware problem using Apple Diagnostics in iOS 27. So for that, you just have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo followed by the loading recovery option screen. So now you just have to wait for a moment, and when the recovery screen appears, you can choose recovery assistant and then tap continue. I choose don't send data to Apple and then connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. And then here you just have to wait for the diagnostic results. So here if a hardware issue is detected in your case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple authorized service provider. So in my case, there have no issue found. So that's it. Just try all of this process. I hope one of these fixes solved your touchscreen problem easily. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.